Everyday carry knives are a dime a dozen, but finding one that truly stands out. That's the real challenge. Today, we're looking at the WIXCO WORTEX, and let me tell you, it might just be that standout. Right out of the box, this knife makes an impression. This isn't just another folding knife. It's a meticulously crafted tool designed for real-world use. Weighing in at a mere 2.43 ounces, or about 69 grams, it practically disappears in your pocket, making it an ideal EDC companion. But don't let that lightweight fool you. This knife packs a serious punch. Let's talk about the blade, because that's where the magic truly happens. We're looking at a 3.1-inch blade made from 14C28 and stainless steel. Now, for those who know their steels, that's a fantastic choice for an EDC knife, offering a superb balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. The stonewash finish isn't just for looks. It adds an extra layer of durability and helps hide minor scratches from daily use. What really caught my attention was the claim of a special coating to prevent food from sticking. While I haven't put it through a full culinary test in my light use, it certainly seemed to glide through materials with impressive ease, living up to its razor-sharp promise right out of the box. This thing is genuinely sharp, ready for anything from opening packages to preparing kindling. Moving to the handle, WIXCO opted for shredded carbon fiber, and it's a brilliant choice. Not only does it contribute to that incredibly light weight, but the ergonomic design just feels right in the hand. It offers a secure, comfortable grip, even when tackling tougher tasks. The blue color adds a nice touch of personality without being overly flashy. Opening the WORTEX is smooth and intuitive. A simple push on the thumb stud, and the blade deploys with a satisfying click. And when it's time to close it up, the safety liner lock mechanism is robust and easy to operate. Just pull back on that crossbar lock and fold the blade securely away. Safety and convenience are clearly top priorities here. The included pocket clip is sturdy and keeps the knife securely in place, whether it's on your pocket, belt, or gear. This knife isn't just for show, it's built for action. Whether you're heading out for a hike, setting up camp, needing a reliable tool for hunting, or just want a dependable utility knife for everyday tasks, the WORTEX truly shines. It's versatile enough for survival situations, tactical applications, or simply as a handy tool around the house. It's the kind of knife that makes you think, why didn't I get one of these sooner? Overall, the WIXCO WORTEX isn't just a knife, it's a testament to thoughtful design and quality materials. It delivers on its promises of sharpness, durability, and comfort in a remarkably lightweight package. If you're in the market for a new EDC knife that won't let you down, this one deserves a serious look. It's a powerful, practical tool that feels like a premium offering without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.